And many of you guys face this issue in FITGIRL Repacks, that is ISARCEXTRACT.dll. So in this video I'm going to show you that how to fix that issue. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. Okay, now run the setup with these properties as I'm going to show you. First, open the directory of FITGIRL Repacks is located as well. And now right click on the setup and just go for its properties. And now go for compatibility mode and click on this option by name change setting for all users and set up Windows 7, and make sure to check this option by name run it as an administrator and hit apply and OK. Open the PC application and go for the properties and go for advanced system settings, and now move to the page where the virtual memory is located as well. Okay, you can find the interface like this. You might get a question that what number I need to write in this blank. So the number you must write according to the RAM as the image I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, download this file as shown here and now extract it using WinRAR. And you will get a folder like this, and open this and now copy these two DLL files and paste in your system32 and both sys64 folder as shown. If they ask overriding all, you must impart the permission like this, and now same paste to sys64 folder as well. You must have downloaded these three important components from any browser by using Microsoft website, that is DirectX Web and both Visual C++ or runtimes. And the last one is run the setup as an administrator privileges as shown here.
Try to be a good person. Shouldn't wear a bell around your neck. You wanna get slept? Oh, you ridiculous.
And if this trick didn't work, make sure to turn off your antivirus as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe my channel as well and contact me at my email jafatech87@gmail.com. Thank you guys for watching this video. Meet you all in the next one. Till the end, goodbye.